This is the last real big week for the third quarter earnings season, but it's not over yet. We're getting about 250 companies reporting this week, including a couple tech names, but a lot of retailers. So I know the retailers are going to be on everybody's mind this week. So I put together the charts of the best retail stocks that are reporting, the ones that have been beating almost every quarter, and these are the ones that people are going to be watching. So let's jump right into it. The first one leading off is one of the big kahunas in retail now, Home Depot. It hasn't missed in 5 years. As you can see, it's got this great track record. Shares have busted out of their range again to new highs. Can it keep doing it? It did a 6.3% comp in this last quarter. That's really hot for any retailer, especially one that's been around for as long as Home Depot has been. So they're just really crushing it. And this is going to be one that everybody's going to be tuning in on. Then we're going to have another company that also has had a strong earnings track record as well. We have TJ Maxx. They only have the two misses back all the way in 2014, and then it's been pretty smooth sailing. Now these are the guys. They have TJ Maxx, they have Marshalls, and they have this great chain called Home Goods, which is really popular. Home Goods did 7% comps last quarter. That's among the best in the industry. So Home Goods is really driving the numbers here, but its other side on the apparel with TJ Maxx and Marshalls is also doing well. So even though the shares are kind of down on their luck here, this is still one of the golden retailers that you should be watching. Then we're going to get a mall-based retailer, actually, Children's Place. Kind of surprising. Look at their track record. They haven't missed either. But look at the chart in 2017. It's a bit of a mess and a bit crazy here. You got to have a strong stomach if you own this one. As I said, they are at the mall, but last quarter they said they were seeing real good results because their competitor, Gymboree, closed down. So they closed down 330 stores, and if you're at the mall and you want, children's clothing and accessories, suddenly this is the only store for you. Their comps were up 3.1% in the last quarter. That's pretty strong, so we'll see if they can keep this record going. Then we're going to have L Brands. This has also been a popular stock, but as you can see, for various reasons, it's going the other direction now. L Brands has always been kind of the top of the apparel. They obviously own Victoria's Secret, and they have that great pink brand. But they've exited the swimsuit lines now, and that's hurting them a bit. They did see already pre-announced same-store sales up 2%. The shares bottomed out there and have been ticking higher now that some of this news is out there. We'll see if this one is more of a turnaround play going into the holidays. And then we're going to have one that everyone thought was going to be Amazon, including myself, but Best Buy still hanging in there. They also have had really good comps. Last quarter up 5.4%, so they're no longer losing that market share to Amazon. They've really stepped up their game with the customer service side, and you can see the beat hasn't been the problem. Shares have stalled out a little bit here as everyone's unsure what's going to be happening going forward. And how they are going to compete, but they've been hanging in there. So this is definitely one that everybody is now watching again, not for bad reasons, but for good. So these are some of the top retail names. This is a really difficult sector, and we're going to see some interesting reports this quarter. We've already seen some of those coming in, but they are heading into their peak shopping season, the big holiday quarter. So this is kind of the make or break time for a lot of these retailers. So I'll be watching all of these all week long, and you can trade the options with a lot of these with my colleague Dave Bartosiak. He's over on Zach's Live Trader on YouTube, trading the options trades. You can watch him live, or you can watch the video. It's all free now, so be sure to tune in over there for the options trades on a lot of these, because he's going to have the hottest ones. And I'll have more stocks that are reporting this week. There's a couple other big tech names you might want to tune in on. I'm going to have those later in this week as well. So we're not done yet. Be sure to tune in.